ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਨਬਾਕਸਿੰਗ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ Pi BQ Pi 2। We are unboxing a BQ Pi 2 as a box, similar box for makers by makers. Same heatsink, large heatsink, and then we are getting a antenna here, and then there is a Pi here. What we are doing here, we are unboxing. So here's a Pi 2. There's something a new processor. So maybe there's a Rockchip here, Rockchip, and there's something a RAM or something a Kingston memories here. So we are getting a something a CSI port and DSI port, something for a display and the camera stuff maybe. So one thing is here, same is a C-type power, and the main power supply is a 24 volt or 12 volt here. So one thing is new here, it's a 3.1, we got a 3.0 port is here, and the 2.0 and 2.0 the line port is also here. GPIO pins here, audio jack is here, HDMI is here, something IR, something remote control stuff is here. So same thing, we are here SD card, but something new is here. We can attach something M.2, some drive is here, some kind of that's one thing is here. Is something IC, flash memory IC something. So that's not included. Maybe you have to customize it here, or maybe you install it there. Maybe you can contact. So the Pi 2 version is 1.0.1. So this is the things, but there is a new something the system here that we get it in the Pi 1.2. Maybe that's for something U2C something. So one thing is we get the new thing is here. There's a switch here, the something OTG or eMMC stuff. Maybe this is a 32 GB eMMC storage here. Okay, we check it, we comparison it. Let's see what we difference. So I have a same Raspberry Pi 4. So Pi 4 have a 2 3.0 and 2 2.0. There is a 1 3.0 and all others in the 2.0. And the internet everything is similar. So the size is Pi 4 smaller than BQ Pi 2. But when I match it, the mount hole is a similar than the Pi 4. Maybe we can use the mount similar mount for the Pi 4 and the BQ Pi 2. Similar GPU pin is there, so it's look like a similar. So everything is on the right side. Headphone jack, HDMI port, Type C port, all this stuff. But we get extra. We can run this directly from the 24 volt and 12 volt power supply. Okay, so SD card is here. Thing is antenna. The antenna goes here. So the antenna is maybe a better communications. There belongs to here. Okay, so I think the Pi 2 have has a one advantage because it's on the 32 GB eMMC here. So this is 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi built in and the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. This is a dual band device. I same thing. I bought it my own. No sponsor video. Every opinion, thoughts, everything is my own. I use it, test it, then I give you an honest review. So everything is here, like a higher processor system, higher RAM, eMMC stuff, PCI slot, everything is here. eMMC stuff, so you no need a SD card or the everything else. For RAM, DDR4 or something, CSA DSA interface, you can built in. You no need a buck converter or drop down or something else. Straight 24 power, 24 volt power supply connected. Kingston eMMC memory, wide range, camera, display stuff, all the things. What is in the box? So watch it, compare it here. PCI M.2 here. SPI flash memories here. You have to customize it. All the stuff is here. There is a OTG switch, eMMC switch here. So you can connect this storage there. So here is the unboxing. BQ Pi 2. It's similar, as powerful. Maybe it's more powerful. It's more advantage because it's a eMMC and the directly a 24 or 12 volt power supply system here. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I get the more content like this. Thank you.